eGAFOR is the latest, easiest, and most powerful forecast for general aviation. A free mobile and desktop web page provides understandable meteorological information to ensure safer flight for general aviation pilots above Central and Southeastern Europe. eGAFOR offers a 6-hour forecast divided into 3 intervals, allowing you to see all of the important meteorological conditions on your selected route. We suggest you register so you can use the extra features. Meteorological conditions are shown in the MET view as polygons. Clouds, green polygon. Visibility, yellow polygon. Cumulonimbus clouds, red polygon. Turbulence, blue polygon. Freezing precipitation, violet polygon. Each weather polygon is defined by a probability of occurrence and severity or category of the phenomenon. For the most severe phenomena, even the slightest probability can impact the route. To instantly see how the weather conditions impact your route, switch to the Route view. eGAFOR translates meteorological forecasts into traffic light colors. Green, open. Yellow, difficult weather conditions for VFR operations. High level of skills and knowledge of local conditions is required. Orange, marginal conditions not suitable for standard VFR operations. High level risk for aircrew under VFR conditions. High level of skills and knowledge of local conditions and terrain is required. Red, closed. Clouds are forecast as polygons representing horizontal spread. Cloud base is forecast in feet above the mean sea level. Since it's difficult to forecast the exact altitude of the cloud base, we introduced the uncertainty zone, a zone between the minimal and the maximal altitude of the forecast cloud base. eGAFOR shows the impact on each route affected with ground elevation and 1,500 feet from the upper and lower boundary of the uncertainty zone over the cloud's polygon along the route cross-section. For registered users, it is possible to change the cloud threshold and in that way change the impact on the routes. If we change the threshold from 1,500 feet to the lowest 500 feet, please notice how impact improves affected routes. Visibility forecast is shown as a polygon of a certain visibility class and probability of occurrence. Visibility is forecast in 3 classes: below 1.5 kilometers, between 1.5 and 5 kilometers, between 5 and 8 kilometers. Here's the low visibility polygon in MET view. In Route view, all the routes affected with the polygon of low visibility are shown in orange, which means high probability for visibility between 1.5 and 5 kilometers. 2 severity classes of turbulence are forecast: moderate and severe. In the MET view, turbulence is shown as a polygon of a certain severity class and probability of occurrence. Notice that all the routes going through that area will be closed according to this forecast. Let's check the forecast for another time period. As you see, the impact has changed. Every pilot knows how dangerous it is to fly near cumulonimbus clouds, so even the medium probability will color your routes red. Three classes of the horizontal distribution of cumulonimbus clouds are forecast: isolated, occasional, and embedded or frequent. Freezing precipitation is a phenomenon so dangerous that any amount will be forecast as a polygon of a certain probability of occurrence. Overlapping polygons for different MET elements can affect the routes at the time. The final impact for the route will always be the biggest individual impact. Storms know no borders. Why should forecasts? Use eGAFOR and fly safely.